Okay, it's me. My living room, as you can see, there's our TV. I'm going to be making a video today. Let me turn the lights on. Put it on. I'm making a video of my guns, not my dad's. Can you guys see? Okay. Well, this gun is for 22. It's a bolt action. Right, here's the bolt. Oh no, it's not a bolt, it's a semi-automatic. It's a banana mag. Here's the mag. It's a banana mag. Here's my 20 gauge. This is my pump action. It's got the birdshot barrel on it right now. So you have to unscrew this bolt right here. And then you can take the barrel out and you can put the slug barrel in. The rifled barrel. I can tell it's a rifled barrel because it has swirls on it. And this bird shot barrel has nothing on it. So I hope you like this video and go check out 22 Clicks with Demolition Range and support your channel. Bye.